Hello. It's a 2014. This is my 2014 Nissan Armada. Purchased it about 2.5 years ago. It has 317 horsepower, 385 pounds of torque. It also can tow by the tow hitch right here, right there. About 8,000, 9,000 pounds, pulling boats and mobile homes and stuff, which I don't use. It's got the rear tailgate right here. Use your hand to lift it up, which is nice. I got my stuff in there in the back. Got the button right here to close it. Okay, close that. Oh, I forgot something. Got something to show you. It's got the buttons here, right over here to move the seat. Move the seat back and forth, right there. It's got a button for both of them. As you can see it moving. Yeah, see it's moving. You just press the button right here. Brings the seat back and forth, which was a good invention I like to use. Close the tailgate. Right now it's got the glass tailgate that opens up, lifts up like that by pulling this right here. Make sure when you're done using it, close it, slam it to make sure it's closed. Let me see what else. It's got sensors all around for when you back it up and stuff. It's got the camera in the back. So when you're backing up, it's a very large vehicle, so you probably need it sometimes when you can't see when it's dark. Inside the vehicle, it seats 8. I have the one that seats 8. It's a very large vehicle inside. It's got the 2 coach seats right here, captain's chairs, driver and passenger. All leather. Heated seats in the front. It's got a table right here, the second row, with a cup holder to put things on. It's got lots of leg room. Open up the back door. It has a lot of cabin storage areas right here, if you could see. It's got a lot of cabin storage. I'm using my phone, so it's moving around a lot. I'm going to try and stay still now so you can get good. It's got the climate control right here, the buttons. It's got a little cup holder down here that you can use. It's got charger right there, the defrost vents right there. Let me see what else. Let me close the door. Let me get in the front right here. Oh, let me show you the engine real quick for a second. 5.6 liter V8. Like I said, 317 horsepower. It's a whole lot of power. It's a very awesome truck. Fun to drive. Got a brand new battery right there from Nissan. I put brakes on the rear not too long ago. I did it myself. It was okay. I got through it. Wasn't simple, but I got through it. The inside. Got the button right here for the lift gate. I have the SV version, so I don't have anything for these buttons here. It would be, I think, the heated steering wheel. I forget what the other one is. Let me see what else here. It's got right here, it's got the monitor right here. I think it's a 7-inch monitor. It's got the auto for the gear ratio for the transmission. 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, 4-wheel low and high, or mostly everybody just keeps on auto. Climate control here. Got the XM radio. Auxiliary for playing music through your iPhone or your Android phone, whatever. It's got CD disc player, got the FM radio. Sound system is Bose, 9-speaker sound system. Sounds really good. Let me see what else. Glove box. Got the heated seat controls here. Got tow mode to for the gear ratio of the transmission, so you don't wear out the transmission prematurely. Press the tow mode to adjust the transmission. Got the empty slip differential on rainy days. Got storage right here, which is good. It's got the armrest, which the newer ones don't have. I like these older ones better than the I think 16s when they changed the body style. I like those. I like these better. The 04, I think, when they started making these, to 15s when they changed the body style. I like those better. They drive more like trucks. So I got about 66,000 miles on it, and I enjoy the vehicle. So appreciate watching the video. Go get you one, a Nissan.